Hi there, Namaste, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. So not many people want to spend a bomb on buying TVs. Some are just looking for good budget options. For them, we have the Realme TV X. Lots of X series TVs launching right now. Anyway, this is the full HD 43-inch Android TV under 20,000. 19,999 to be precise. And you get almost everything for that price. I'll take you through a quick review so you can decide if you should buy the Realme TV X or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So this is the full HD 43-inch smart TV running the latest Android TV 11 OS. You can see the new Discovery UI looks so colorful. Apps like Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube all come pre-installed. It also comes with a Google Play Store from where you can download lots of apps and games. In the Entertainment tab, you can download apps like Sony Live, Hotstar, Voot, Z5 and so many more. In the Games tab, you'll find lots of games to download on the TV as well. However, keep in mind, some of them will need a gamepad to be played. We tested Crossy Road, which is a very basic game and can be played simply by using the TV's remote. Works very smoothly. However, keep in mind that some high-end graphic games like Asphalt 8 might not play as smoothly. But then the TV also comes with ALLM, which is Auto Low Latency Mode. So if you're going to use it with a console gaming, like we used it for a PS5, and the experience was quite good. There was no noticeable input delay. Just make sure you enable the gaming mode from the picture settings. So let's talk about the display. Here's a video playing on YouTube. Now this is a 4K video, but since the TV comes with a full HD panel, the video resolution will also max out at 1080p. It looks very crisp and clear. The motion smoothing at 60 Hz is also pretty good. The color reproduction too is very impressive. Nice, vivid, saturated colors. It has a peak brightness of 400 nits with HDR support and the content looks really nice. Now even though at full HD, the clarity really stands out. Here's a demo video showing the contrast of the TV. You can see bright whites and deep blacks in the same frame. See it for yourself. Now since this is a VA panel, viewing angles aren't the best. Colors do feel a little washed out when viewed from an acute angle. It's not as drastic either, but still something to keep in mind. Here's a quick demo of the Netflix app. The interface is super responsive and very smooth. Videos too played very well without any lag or stutter. Then this TV comes with dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5 GHz. And what happens is that when you have faster Wi-Fi support, streaming content reduces buffering time drastically. Then we played some movie trailers from our pen drive and 2K videos played instantly and buttery smooth. MKV, MP4, both these formats worked without any problem. Then we also tried 4K videos, but they weren't supported, which is fine because this anyway is a full HD TV. Then we also tested the set-top box channels, starting with SD channels, which looked very clear. It doesn't look pixelated and it's totally viewable. HD channels will almost be perfect, making use of every pixel on this display, sharp and crisp. Now we know lots of channels are just available in SD, so for those who want to enjoy SD channels can really use this TV. Then you can also access the voice assistant from the remote. You can ask it for the weather, you can ask it for general trivia questions, you can ask it to change the volume, mute the volume, or even launch apps. All just by speaking into your remote. Very handy. Then we also get Bluetooth support, so you can pair your favorite wireless headphones or earphones and enjoy the TV's audio too. Talking about the audio, we get 24 watt sound output with Dolby audio support. This is a quad speaker setup. Time for a quick demo. Alright, So it's more than you can ask for in a TV of this size and price. It's loud, it's clear, it's also got good audio separation. It's great for watching movies or listening to music. No complaints. Quickly talking about the built-in design. So it's got a super slim bezel-less design, giving it a very clean look. The stands are made of plastic, but my only problem is that they are placed far towards the edges. A little inside, and that would have helped place the TV on a smaller table. Just for reference, the difference between the two stands is 38 inches. So make sure you have a table big enough. Coming to the ports. Starting with the ones on the side, we get a USB port, digital audio output, headphone jack, AV composite input for old set-top boxes, antenna and HDMI 1 port with ARC support. Then at the bottom is LAN Ethernet, 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB-A port. Alright, final thoughts. So the Realme TV X has the X factor. Everything in a budget price. 19,999 for a full HD 43-inch TV. By the way, if you want to save some more money, there is also a 40-inch variant for just 17,999. Exact same specs. I'll leave the links for both these TVs in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.